Hello, hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. This is Denise Williams with Financially Focused. I'm so excited to be here with today's update on business news, investor news, and just basically how you can jump on this income journey, how you can make some money for yourself by seeing what the experts are doing. We don't need to reinvent the wheel, right? So we're going to look at today's headlines. And if anything jumps out at you, send me a message, follow my bio, you know, follow the links. I'm here to support you. Okay, so what's up? Well, Caribbean Airlines, they are expanding their call center. So, as we know, travel has been, on the zoom upward trajectory as we come out of the pandemic. People want to go places. And so, the airline opened up numerous positions in Jamaica. They travel all over. They take their passengers and cargo all over the Caribbean. And the company says it is on track to make a profit this year, 2023, after 4 years of not doing so that's great news. So, of course, the call center is part of the plan to boost the company's revenue. Okay. And that's what's important about a call center. Now, from airlines to soap, can you imagine, you know, 290%, 298% growth in Blue Power earnings. Okay. They trade on the Jamaica Stock Exchange as BPOW. And for the 6 months ended October 31, Blue Power basically blasted through expectations and they sold 90 million. Okay, so profit before taxation is 90 million. That's 298% more than earnings of 22 million in the year 2022. Okay, so what's the management saying? They're looking at it that during the quarter, we continue to complete capital projects and make improvements on our quality systems, efficiency, facilities, and product lines. The company continues and says, we note that some market opportunities within CARICOM may be constrained by current legal uncertainties about trade rules within the region. We do, however, remain hopeful that Blue Power Group will be able to grow in the years ahead by manufacturing and co-packing bar soaps for domestic and export markets. So, ladies and gentlemen, I think soap is an investment that you can feel safe about. So, yeah, there's a lot of competition in the soap industry, no question about it. But the question is, do you think people will buy soap? So, if you think people will buy soap, this may be something for you to look into. Okay. Now, we did airlines, we just finished soap. Now we're going to move to the hardware sector. So, Lumber Depot, they hit double-digit profit growth. Okay. So, for the 6 months also ending October 31st, there was an 11% increase, for profits attributable to shareholders. And that's $86 million. In 2022, they made $78 million. Okay. The company said during the first half of the year, we improved our facility in Papine St. Andrew through investments in our buildings, yard space, financial control systems, and operating equipment. So clearly, the company is saying, look, we are a hardware and we want to look good for our customers, and it has grown their sales. So again, another consideration for you. Do you think people need to buy lumber, need to buy hammer, nails, cement, steel, stuff that's in a hardware, doors, windows? I don't know. Something for you to think about. Next up, Scotiabank pays more taxes because they made more money. So the company paid 8 billion Jamaican dollars in taxes because they made 17 billion in profits. That's impressive any way you want to look at it, okay? Now, they made money three ways, and word to the wise. They made profits from forex trading, okay? They had interest that they earned on loans, and they made money from selling insurance, okay? So for the year ended October 31st, Scotia Group Jamaica reported a 31% increase in interest income of 40 billion compared to 31 billion they earned last year. Then for their insurance revenue, they made 1.8 billion, which was a huge increase compared to 884 million in 2022. So management noted that growth in total revenues was primarily driven by an increase in interest income of 8.8 billion, stemming from the strong growth in their loan portfolio, higher insurance revenue, higher gains on foreign currency activities, as well as higher fee and commission income earned, given the significant increase in transaction volumes. Okay, that is amazing. It's great results, really great results. Now we're going to move from individual companies. We're going to look at the stock markets as a whole. So this was, December 12th was a good day on the market for traders, right? For traders. In fact, every day is a good day for traders, because once you get in that mindset, you are just looking for opportunities. And I will tell you, trade doesn't make money even when the market is going down. So if you're going to invest in anything, I would say invest in learning how to become a trader. Okay, so let's look at the advancing stocks. So on the Jamaica Stock Exchange, box company AMG Packaging Company closed at $2.66, which is a 16% jump in share price. Epley 6% preference share moved up by 15% to close at $1.47, and JPS 7% preference share experienced an 11% increase in trading to close at $44.57. So let's look at the declining stocks. Ice cream company Carib Cement Limited fell by 19% to close at $3. Surgical Center G West Corporation saw 17% shaved off the value of the price to close at 83 cents. And financial and real estate firm Cygnus Real Estate Finance Limited ended the day's trading at US 7 cents, representing a 15% decline. Okay. So again, remember, traders make money whether the market goes up or goes down, right? The secret is to learn what they're doing and just do that. All right, the foreign exchange report. So, again, December 12th, which was yesterday, we're giving you the highlights because market hasn't closed yet. Bank of Jamaica reported that US 18 million was bought from forex traders, while US 17 million was sold to forex traders. Now, forex traders, again, the market is moving, it's Christmas, and so they're shuffling the US dollars throughout the economy. Now, buying directly from the Bank of Jamaica, foreign currency traders sold the US dollar for $156.19 and then bought US dollars for $154.90. So they made a profit of $1.29 on every single transaction. Okay, I want you to flash back to the billions Scotiabank made on trading. It's significant. Seems like $1.29 is small, but it adds up. The volume adds up. Now, moving over to the Canadian dollar, right? So the Canadian dollar was sold for $115.30, and it was bought for $110.10, which gave traders a profit of $5.40 for the day. Moving over to the British pound, traders made a profit of $3.83. So they were selling it for $194.77 and buying it for $190.94. Okay. So again, just think about the buying and selling that's going on in the stock market, in the forex market. There's profit to be made. What are you doing? Right? Do you need help? Give me, drop me a line. Right? I am a coach. You can hire me. I am available to support you. So now let's move on from the foreign currency and, of course, the credit report. I just want to re-emphasize how important it is for you to treat your credit report like a baby. Protect it, love it, hug it up, keep an eye on it. All right. So, what are we talking about today? Well, we want you to strategically pay down credit card balances, okay? So, one effective way to boost your credit score is to focus on paying down your credit card balances strategically. So, your credit utilization ratio, which is the amount of credit you're using compared to your total available credit, plays a significant role in your credit score. Okay. And so with that, we wrap up today's, business focus. Right. My name is Denise Williams, and I really appreciate your company. I want you to stay well informed, stay ahead of the curve. Until our next update, take care. Bye. Yeah.